You need to rebook your flight.
You need to shut the up.
All right, listen. You're not helping.
No, like I'm not comfortable with y'all. I'm not.
Then walk.
You get your other ticket up here, or you going to jail?
We're being more than lenient.
You go around the corner and go to the ticket counter and get you another ticket.
You need to stop being a Donald Trump ass. No, you need to walk that way.
You're gonna go to jail. Walk.
You. Girl, if you keep on stop, you still gonna move regardless. No, that I will really tussle your ass in cuffs though. No, you dirty ass, squid ass.
On May 29, 2024, officers at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport responded to reports of an intoxicated passenger denied boarding by Alaska Airlines. The woman was attempting to fly from Cleveland to Honolulu via Seattle, but was deemed too intoxicated to fly safely.
Did you see her?
Yeah, she just walked up on my point. She walked this way.
Okay, got it. Turn back. Like making the problem here.
What flight is she supposed to get on a flight?
To Alaska, going to Seattle, Seattle to Hawaii.
From
People.
So she didn't get on the flight?
No, we couldn't accept her because she was intoxicated.
Gotcha.
You
know her name?
Her hand is so loose, bro. It came from my face. Anisha.
Do your big one. Do your big one. Do your big one. And they out here, you know, do your big one. I like that. But, ooh, that's
Anisha.
what
Hey, how you doing? All right, Anisha, we're gonna have to get going. You're gonna have to rebook your flight.
drink some water real quick. You gotta get dehydrated real quick. You gotta get hydrated. I can come and talk to y'all for a little bit, but y'all don't got nothing to do with me though.
So what's going on?
You are down here, can you make it where it's not hot? Yeah,
sit down.
over here. Yeah, let's just talk for a little bit. Yeah, let's just talk. Will we talk?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm okay.
So what's going on?
I'm trying to catch my flight to Honolulu, but this wanna act like he don't wanna have me get on the flight. That's what's happening right now.
You from Cleveland?
No, I'm not from here.
Where you from?
Bro, I'm from Michigan.
Okay.
I'm not from here. So basically what's happening right now, I got a flight. My flight leave at 6:44. But the dude that's running the flight is not letting me get on the plane. The same one that called y'all. The same one that called y'all is the same one.
Okay. So, do you know, did they tell you why they wouldn't let you on the flight?
Bruh, all I'm trying to do is get back to Honolulu. I get money. I'm not a dumb. Like, every drink, anytime you see me, like, bro, I'm paying for all my drinks.
That's
everything.
Cool. That's cool that you're paying for your drinks, but they're not going to let you on intoxicated.
And that's fine. And I'm okay with y'all checking my bags.
Well, we're not going to check your bag. You're just
No,
going to have to.
I just want to get to Hawaii.
You're not going to be able to get on this flight. You probably have to catch the next one.
No, I'm not going for that.
You're going to have to go for it.
Because you don't understand how much these flights cost.
You're going to have to rebook. They're not going to let you.
Rebook what?
They're not going to
That shit costs like $300.
They're not going to. You're not going to have to pay. They're just going to give you another flight. They're not going to let you fly intoxicated. They're not going to let you fly like that.
No one said they're charging you more money. You just
got to catch the next flight. You're going to have to sober up before they let you on the next one. They're not going to let you fly like that. That's what it is. That's why they wouldn't let you on.
For real?
Yeah.
When is the next flight?
I don't know. We got to go up to the ticket counter to see.
You probably want to do that sooner than later. Let's just go up to the ticket counter and get you taken care of.
Alright. Let's do it now and not later.
Alright, no, let's go. Right down here. Come on.
No, what is that?
This goes to the ticket counter. We got to go to the ticket. It's the exit to the ticket level. Let's go.
Two choices. Let's go.
You have to read
the ticket level.
Officers locate the subject who had walked away from the gate. Under federal aviation regulations, Airlines have the authority to refuse transport to intoxicated passengers as a safety requirement. The officer approaches calmly, using de-escalation techniques from the start. The subject, identified as Anisha, expresses frustration about missing her flight. The officer explains that regardless of paying for drinks, the airline has denied boarding due to her intoxicated condition. He attempts to address her concerns about rebooking, explaining she won't be charged additional fees. The officers guide her toward the ticket counter to rebook. However, she becomes increasingly verbally aggressive, using profanity. The officers continue de-escalation efforts, still offering opportunities to cooperate voluntarily. The officer provides two clear options: rebook the flight or face arrest for disorderly conduct. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2917.11, disorderly conduct occurs when someone recklessly causes alarm in a public place while intoxicated. Her loud, profane behavior in the terminal provides probable cause for this charge.
You need to rebook your flight.
You need to shut the up.
All right, listen, you're not helping.
No, like, I'm not comfortable with y'all. I'm not.
Then walk. All you gotta do is rebook.
I'm not. No.
Come on.
No. Cause look, another police officer just pulled. I'm not. No.
She's not a police officer.
Well, if I'm going down, I'm going down behind where I stay. I'm not going down.
No, we're going to the...
No, I really don't like y'all. I really don't.
Okay, that's fine.
Rolling this way.
You dead ass right now.
Come on, we gotta go to the ticket counter to rebook.
Book for what? What did I do? I didn't do shit. Y'all not booking for me a goddamn thing because I didn't do nothing. No, they're not getting my fingerprints. They're not getting my name. Bro, that. Man,
You can't go back. That's it.
Man, get the out of my face. Y'all booking me for no reason. I didn't do nothing.
You're not.
I didn't do a goddamn thing, so get the out of my face.
Nobody taking you to jail.
No, that. No, that. No, this is not okay. What is happening is not okay.
You're going to be going to jail. Now, you can get another ticket or you can go to jail.
No, that.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
You got two choices. You go that way and get another ticket,
You
or we
need
will
to
book
leave
you.
because you are literally trying to do something that you're not even in the jurisdiction to do.
Do you want to rebook and get on another flight?
No,
Or do you want to
I
go to
didn't
jail?
do
You got two
nothing. I didn't
choices.
do nothing.
You got two.
I didn't do a goddamn thing. So you need to move out of my way before I really call my daddy.
You're this close
No,
to going
I'm
to
about
jail.
to call my
You're going
dad.
to walk that way. You're going to go to jail for DCI, disorderly conduct,
You
intox.
can either get another ticket or you can go to jail. That's your only choice.
That's all you
wanna
got.
do? You get your other ticket up here or you going to jail.
We're being more than lenient.
You go around the corner and go to the ticket counter and get you another ticket.
You need to stop being a Donald
Walk
Trump
that-
ass. No, you need to walk that way.
You're going to go to jail. Walk.
You. Dumbass.
Come on, let's go.
No, you need to tell him to back down. I'm
Just
comfortable
keep
with
going.
you walking behind me. I'm not comfortable with him walking behind me.
I'm behind you.
I don't with
To the
you.
ticket counter, or you're going to
You
go to
need to
jail.
shut
Walk.
the up.
Do you understand you're this close to going to jail for
And I'm on the
Walk
phone
that
with
way.
all of my people. Hello?
Your people aren't going to help you right now. You're walking on a thin line here. Let's go.
You need to leave me the alone.
I'm right here.
No, you need to
You're
leave me
gonna go to
alone. No, you need to leave me alone.
You're intoxicated.
Like, no, that.
being
You're doing
disorderly.
some that you not need. Don't go that way. You're really being that police officer right now. No, a police officer is really with me right now. A whole police officer is with me right now. He's literally following me. Oh no, that. No,
Let's go.
I'm not going nowhere unless your ass get the up out of here. I'm not with you.
The subject makes statements that could be interpreted as threatening. Under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2903.21, menacing occurs when a person causes another to believe they will cause physical harm. Despite her aggressive demeanor and continued confrontation, the officers demonstrate remarkable restraint, continuing to offer opportunities to comply voluntarily. Additional officers arrive to assist standard protocol for uncooperative, intoxicated subjects. Despite having sufficient numbers to physically control her, the officers continue using verbal commands and attempting voluntary guidance. This reflects their commitment to de-escalation. The subject claims on her phone that officers are harassing her without cause. This is inaccurate. The officers have provided numerous opportunities for compliance and clearly articulated their legal basis. Her continued refusal to cooperate is making arrest increasingly inevitable. The officer makes one final attempt, asking directly whether she wants to rebook and fly out. When she refuses to answer and demands the officer leave, she has effectively made her choice. By this point, nearly 10 minutes have been spent attempting peaceful resolution.
Do you want to get another flight out? I'm asking you a question. Do you want to fly? Right?
Can you tell him to go?
Forget about him. Do you want to fly out of
Can
here?
you tell him to go?
Answer the question. Do you want to fly?
Tell him to go.
All right. We gave you more than enough chances here.
Well, then I'm going to go outside then. I don't even want y'all help. I don't want help. I want to go outside at this point. I don't want y'all help. I want to go. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave.
All right.
No, because I don't trust you. Because you will. No, I don't trust. No.
Relax. Take it easy. Yeah. Come on.
We have your car.
We're going. It's coming with you.
Come on.
Please hold onto the handrail and attend to children for your safety.
Take her outside.
Yeah.
Where's your ID, man? Where's your IDs in your pants?
You need to shut the f*** up.
I'm putting her phone back in her purse.
Because why am I in handcuffs? Because I didn't do nothing.
You're under arrest for disorderly
For
conduct,
what?
intoxication.
For what?
Disorderly conduct.
Nigga, f*** you.
Door number
all-
6.
it's all-
Fuck I did. Disorderly conduct is crazy.
She wants to go to jail.
Man, if you don't see these cuss off of me.
Relax.
Bro, I want to go home. I just want to go home.
We're past that point
Bro,
now.
I want to go home. Leave me alone. I want to go home. Y'all got me f***ed up. Cuffing me up, doing all this weird ass for what? I didn't do nothing to you. You weirdo. I didn't do nothing to you. Please uncuff me so I can go home. I'm not doing nothing.
All right. Just calm down.
Is you gonna make sure I'm okay? Is you gonna look out for me tonight?
I'm not going to look out for you. Unfortunately, you're going to end up going to jail tonight.
Thank you. Step over here, please, honey.
Listen to this, officer.
Follow me over here.
Just listen. No, your stuff's not going anywhere.
Come on, honey.
Come on.
Why are you touching on me
Because
like
you're
that?
not moving.
No, because you're not a police
That's fine.
officer,
So listen here.
and you really got me up.
Let's search you.
No, you really got me up.
Search you.
Because the only reason why you with me is because I got these cuffs on my ass. Like, you really trying it right now.
Let her go. Thank you. Please don't move. Go back.
Girl, you keep on
Stop. You still gonna move regardless.
No, that. I would really tussle your ass in cuffs though. No, you dirty ass, squid ass.
Sit down.
Huh.
The subject states she wants to leave the airport. However, the officers now have probable cause for arrest based on her disorderly conduct and menacing behavior. They escort her toward ground level to process the arrest outside the secure terminal area. At the bottom of the escalator, the subject pulls away from officers. They respond by placing hands on her arms to maintain control. Under Graham versus Connor, this force is objectively reasonable given she is intoxicated, uncooperative, and unpredictable. The officers place her in handcuffs, standard procedure during custodial arrest and considered a safety measure, not force itself. Her question, "Why am I in handcuffs?" demonstrates continued inability to understand that her behavior provided ample legal justification for arrest. The subject becomes emotional, repeatedly stating she wants to go home. The officer accurately responds that they are past that point. Once probable cause exists and arrest is initiated, officers cannot simply release someone because they become upset. Despite continued verbal abuse, officers maintain professional demeanor. A female officer takes control and guides her toward a secure area for a pat-down search. Such searches are constitutionally permissible incident to arrest for officer safety purposes. Despite hostile language, officers handle the subject professionally, using minimum necessary force. The subject was charged with menacing under Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.21 and disorderly conduct while intoxicated under Section 2917.11. The specific outcome of the criminal case was not available through public records at time of this analysis. The Cleveland Hopkins Airport Police officers receive a B+. They demonstrated exceptional patience and de-escalation throughout nearly 10 minutes of confrontation, providing repeated opportunities to comply voluntarily. Their use of force was minimal and objectively reasonable. They maintained professional composure despite sustained verbal abuse. However, they could have provided clearer explanations when she asked why she was in handcuffs, and could have given more explicit warnings earlier about arrest consequences. These are minor critiques of otherwise exemplary professional law enforcement. Under Ohio law and the Graham versus Connor standard, their conduct was legally justified and tactically sound. The subject, Anisha, receives a D. Her behavior demonstrated complete failure to understand legal consequences and refusal to cooperate with reasonable, lawful directions. Rather than accepting the temporary setback and rebooking her flight, she escalated through verbal aggression, profanity, and physical resistance. Her conduct violated Ohio law on multiple levels. Her disruptive behavior satisfied disorderly conduct elements, and her aggressive demeanor provided basis for menacing charges. However, she received some credit for ultimately not engaging in violent physical resistance once arrest was initiated. Her emotional breakdown does not excuse the behavior that led to arrest. The appropriate response when denied boarding is to work with staff and accept rebooking, not create a disturbance requiring law enforcement intervention. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.